Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming you're eligible, an active college or university student. Once done, sign into your Apple ID on the device you'll use and make sure a payment method is set. Next, open Apple Music or the App Store and choose the student subscription option. You'll be redirected to a student verification service. Proceed immediately so Apple can confirm status. This first step jumps past fluff and gets you into the verification flow without delay, saving time later. Once redirected, you'll use the verification provider, often UNiDAYS, to prove enrollment. You sign in or create an account using your school email or upload a snapshot of your student ID if prompted. This is why your documents must be ready. After submitting details, the service confirms within minutes. Make sure to watch for an email or on-screen confirmation. Once verified, you'll be returned to Apple Music, where you choose the billing cycle and confirm the discounted student plan. You should now confirm the student plan is active in your Apple Music account and note the billing date. Understand that Apple allows student discounts up to a limited time and requires re-verification periodically, so set a calendar reminder. If you lose access, re-verify instantly or update payment details. If verification fails, try uploading a clearer student ID photo or using your school email instead, and contact the verification provider for support. This single troubleshooting move resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.